Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's see today's problem. Jump game V. Fine. Given an array of integers here and an integer d, in one step you can jump from the index I to index I plus x, where I plus x is less than array of length and 0, x is greater than 0 and less than equal to d, I minus x, where I minus x is greater than equal to 0 and x is greater than 0 or less than equal to d. In addition, you can only jump to the index I from the index j such that array of I is greater than array of j and array of I is greater than array of k for all the case between I and j. You can choose any index of the array and start jumping. Return the maximum number of indices you can visit. Notice that you cannot jump outside the array at any time. So in this question we are given an array which represents the height of something and height of like the bars you can say, and we are giving an integer d. So what we can choose any position that we like and start jumping from that position, and also we are given that we can only jump from if we are currently standing at I position, we can jump to I plus x or I minus x, where this x should be in the range from 0 to d. Also we can only jump if we are standing at index I, we can only jump at index j if array of I is greater than array of j and all the indexes like k between I and j for this condition will also hold. Array of I should be greater than array of j. For example, let's look at the problem here. For example, here we have this type of array, and then we can choose this index, the 10th index. From that we can jump to index this 8, because we have 6 is less than this 10, this 12, and 10 is also less than 12. So we can jump in this to the 8th index. From the 8th index we can jump to the 6th index, because in between 7 is less than 10 and also 9 is less than 10. From the 6th index we can move to the 7th index, because 7 is less than 9. So in this example we have just covered 1, 2, 3 and 4 indexes we have covered, so the output will be 4. So what we can do is, in this problem we can traverse over every index and find out how many jumps we can make from that index. And also we can use dynamic programming here. We can store the maximum number of jumps we can make from that index. So let's look at the code here. We will have n as the size of the array, and a result will be declared to 0, and we have dp of size n initialized with -1. We will iterate over every index, and we will call this function solve, and we will take the maximum from every index and return this as a result. Let's look at the recursive function solving. Currently we are at index and the array will be ARR, and d will be the maximum number of jumps we can make from that index till that index, and dp will be for storing the maximum number of jumps for each index and the n. If we have visited that state previously, we will simply return this result. Else what we can do, we will initialize as 0, and we can just try to jump from the backwards. For example, if we are standing at 3, we can check for this index. If we are standing at index 5, we can check for 4 and 3, because we can move till only index minus t. Also if this condition breaks, the array of index is less than or equal to array of I, we will break, because it is written this for this condition. Else we will call a recursive function for array of I. Similarly for the greater indexes, currently if we are standing at 5, we can check for 6 and 7, and if the condition breaks, if array of index is less than equal to array of I, we will break. Else what we're going to do is we're going to make a recursive call for index I, and in the end whatever the maximum result, we will increment it by 1, because currently we have visited this index I, and in the end we will just return res plus 1. So this is the recursive code here. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.